Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Kyle. Welcome back to another episode of DIY Buildouts. Hey, as you probably could tell, I'm sitting on the floor in my son's room. Now, the reason for this is we are going to hang some floating shelves up on the wall, and I wanted to show you exactly how I build them down here and put them up on the wall. So without further ado, let's get started. Now this kit, like I said, was about 20 bucks on Amazon. It came with everything you're going to need, including the screws, some drywall anchors, concrete anchors, and the metal brackets, 3 different size shelves, and the instruction manual. As for other things that are not included in the Amazon purchase, you're going to need a 5/64 size drill bit. You are going to need a level. Item number 3 is you are going to want a stud finder. Next thing, pencil. And also, while you're here, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already done, and shameless plugs out of the way. Let's keep going. Okay guys, as you can see, the 3 shelves are up. It literally only took about 15 to 20 minutes, and that's including all of the assembly and the mounting time. So if you like what you see, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and use the link in the description below if you want to support the channel and purchase these shelves. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's all for this one. Oh boy, sun's all over the place. He's very happy that everything's in here. He's messing with all the gear, the lighting, the microphone. Anyways, the shelves are on the wall. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.